Hi, I am Harishankar from Polosoft Technology Private Limited. Here I am going to show the demo of awareness application for the Android versions. Just download the Android application set by your team. Go to the file manager of the applications and go to the download folder and install the applications. If any permission asking, then just accept all the things because this is a development Android applications. After installing completion, just open this application. In this version, we can sign up using our Google and Twitter both applications for the Android version. I can show you the both versions. Initially, the current location will be selected automatically by applications. If you need, you can select any location from your site and just save this location. Just let me sign up using a Google. It will show all the account login with your applications list up, and you can select for that once. After selecting the preferred Google account, it will automatically sign up, and you can check this. After sign in successfully, this menu will be coming where the photo will be coming from your Google account and the name will also coming from your Google account. Just edit the profile. Here I can set my display name. Next. And as initially all the data is coming from now by Google, so we have to select the things. And just save it. Profile updated successfully. Now go to the profile section again. Now you can see the display name and all the details is showing here perfectly. Okay, and here we can select or change our search radius. By default, system will show the results with 15 miles. We can change that with these options. And this is the 3 pinned. In my account, I just pinned 3 business. You can check here. All the business I pinned, it will show here list with these things. And also the total number of pinned business. Here we can also remove this pin by click the pin icon. On pinned successfully and this business is already gone out. And total number is 2. Just go back. It is also showing the 2 numbers. Go back. Here this is the thing where we search our business. We just need to type our interest. Okay. And there is some keywords predefined. We can select with that. And also the result will come here. And also we can type our interest just like dance. Dance is our interest. So some dance business is showing here. And also here the red color is been showing. And 33 people are rating this. When I just pin this business, this is successfully pinned and also increment by 1, that is 34. When I click this business, it will show all the details of the business. Also, this is showing that this business already pinned by me. If I want to on-pin this business with these sections, also I can do on-pin successfully. If I want to get the directions, then M Zone Dance Studio, this title of business automatically fill up by Google Map applications and also show the current location of this business. I can go with the directions and go back. If I'm the business owner of the business, I can claim my business. After submitting all the details, it will go to the admin and next process will be started. And also here you can check, let me pin again this business, pin, and let me pin this business by this here, pin. Go to the profile section. Now this is 4 business is showing. You can check the last 2 business is showing here. And also I can on pin this business. Okay, and another thing. Let me log out these sections. Save my location again. Skip for now. You can check. Now this is not logged in, so it is asking for me login again. So now this time I'm just using the Twitter for the sign up purpose. Now Twitter is opening, and if any Twitter account is logged in, it will automatically show the authorized app, or else you can ask for the Twitter may ask for the username and password for login. I just need to authorize applications. I need to wait for the sign up process and it automatically signed in. Now you can check my account is signed in successfully. This is all about the applications demo. Yeah, in some interest here some keywords, there is be no data will be available in the Google, and also very less data will be available by the Google. So we just confirm that keyword, if any keyword have that some business is there, then it will not automatically show by Google, otherwise it will not show. I just type the random keyword here, you can check that there is no data is available. Thank you.